You might be suffering from this deadly health condition and you won't even know it because it has no symptoms. Now, if you care about your health, watch this video till the end because by the end, I'm going to tell you what test can be done and how to prevent it. One in every three adults may have it, and even healthy looking body may have been dealing with this kind of health condition, but they won't even realize it because there's clearly no symptoms until it reaches the point where recovery becomes very, very tough. I am talking about the India's fastest rising health condition, that is fatty liver disease. Now, this fatty liver disease doesn't only happen with alcohol consumption, but many more other factors. So basically, your liver is a body's detox center. It filters your blood, clears out the toxins, it processes the medicines that we take, it breaks down fat, helps you in digestion, supports your immunity and hormonal balance as well. So overall, it keeps the system running. Now, when excess fat is deposited inside the liver, it becomes inflamed. Of course, your hormonal balance is all out of the place, your metabolism slows down, and most importantly, it stops clearing out the toxins, and the liver eventually becomes damaged. Now, this is a silent disease. Your liver doesn't give you any kind of pain, symptoms, or signals, and that is why people realize it really very late when the liver reaches the stage where it's totally damaged and it's very, very tough to recover it back. This is how a normal healthy liver looks like, and this is how a fatty liver looks like. Now, this fatty liver is caused basically out of our lifestyle choices, the poor diet choices, our lifestyle, sedentary lifestyle, too much of sitting, no physical activity, having excess of calories, high sugary foods, and even unmanaged PCOS, thyroid, and insulin resistance. So overall, it's a negligence of your diet, health, fitness, and lifestyle can cause you this problem. And it is very important to know that even lean people can have fatty liver. It is not necessarily that you need to be obese or overweight. Now, let's talk about the most important part, what steps you can take if you truly care about yourself and you want to prevent this. These are the four tests you need to get done at least once a year. LFT, lipid profile, your ultrasound abdomen, fasting sugar plus HbA1c. Now, these tests will determine the condition of your liver, and it can determine the early liver inflammation and the fat deposition. So it's very important you get it done and know the status of your liver. So please don't wait for the symptoms because your liver won't give one, and understand that it's very important to make healthy lifestyle choices. If you want to know what kind of lifestyle changes you can make to prevent this kind of health condition, comment down the word liver and I'll send you a DM personally.